Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just got a short video today showing you how to reset the service light on a 2015 on Nissan Note. So if you've got a dash like this, this is the procedure you want. Just turn the ignition on there and just see where it's flashing up 3,000 miles to service. Now all you need to do is just turn the ignition off, turn it on, press and hold this button there till it starts to flash, and release the button while it's flashing. Press it once and that'll do an interval there, and you can keep pressing it and you can go up in different increments to set it at wherever you want. So I'm just going to get that to, I'd like to set this to 12.5, so forget that. Once at 12.5, I'll just release and wait for the flashing to stop. Once that's flashed, you can just turn the ignition off and send that back on, and that's all reset there. So thanks for watching, hope the video helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.